Hello children, this is Praveen Shukla from Christchurch Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadarwara, and I welcome you in our digital classes. This video is for class 6th subject English Reader, chapter 4, The Country Child. This is the explanation of the chapter. Student, in second chapter you have read a poem that is a town child or the town child. Okay, there you have seen that the a boy from the town is not happy uh, with his life in the town. Okay, now here let us try to know what about the country child. First we will go with a reading, then I'll explain you. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in the street if I could. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all, and I should be lonely for hours. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Now, as I told you that you have read how the town child was unhappy in the town. Now, in this poem, the country child is equally unhappy in the country. Okay? He also feels lonely. He has no one to play with. Okay? He also wished that he could live in a town and could see the all the brightness of the city and the colorful light at night in the streets. Okay, and his friends, whose friend? The country child. His friends were only birds and the flowers. Okay, and they too were not there. That is why the boy is feeling lonely. The boy also wanted to see a town, wanted to live in a town. Okay, he wanted to see all the beautiful uh, streets, है ना, in the town, and all the good things which were there in the town. Okay, and all those things the boy was missing. Okay, so this is all about the poem, है ना, means there is a boy who lived in a country, in a city, and but he always wished to live in a town where he can see all the natural beauty and all the happiness which he felt that he couldn't get in the country, in the city. Okay, so this is all about the poem. In next video we will meet with the uh, next chapter. Okay, thank you.